then we had that 10, 12-year consolidation. And people thought, you see, Schiff was wrong. It never got to 5,000. And it should have, but it didn't. We were able to, put a big Band-Aid on the problem and convince the world that we solved it while we kicked the can down the road and made it much, much worse. So 5,000 is not my target for gold now. It's much, much higher than that. So I don't know where, $10,000, $20,000. Gold is going a lot higher because of how much time has gone by and how much more debt we've accumulated. And I think there's really a couple of catalysts right now for this big move up in gold. The biggest one is probably the Trump administration's continuation of the weaponization of the dollar that was really expanded by Biden against Russia. So that was a big warning to the world and the impetus to try to de-dollarize and to try to have a reserve that was not at the whim of a U.S. president. And, a lot of people, when I talked about the end of the dollar's days as the reserve currency, the way I would always get pushback from people is, well, what's going to replace the dollar? There's no alternative, right? The euro's no good. The yen's no good, right? The pound's no good. You can't do the RMB. So they would say, we're the cleanest dirty shirt in the hamper. So, that's it, right? They're stuck with us.